Okay, so picking up from where we left off last time, the next step is we need to actually create an IAM role for our Lambda function to assume. And what this does is it allows our Lambda function to interact with other services in our AWS environment. We want our Lambda function to be able to access the S3 buckets, as well as the Elastic transcoder and submit a job. So to get started, we're going to click on Services tab. Then we're going to click on IAM under Security, Identity and Compliance. Next, we're going to click on the Roles tab in the sidebar. We're going to click on Create Role button here. Now, the first step of creating a role is choosing what the trusted entity is. So this pretty much just says what service is going to assume this role. And we're going to be running this from AWS Lambda. So we're just going to click on Lambda and then click on Next Permissions. The next step is choosing what policies you want to add to the role. So what actions do you want your service to perform? Now we want two. We want the AWS Lambda execute role, policy, That one right there. And the second one is we want to submit Elastic transcoder jobs. Just the job submitter one here. So click on both of those and then click on Next Review. We're going to give it a name. So we're just going to name it Lambda S3 execute role. And click on Create Role. We can see our new role here. Now to confirm that the policies have been attached to the role, you can click onto the role name. And we can see that the policy is attached to there.